Hey friends, today we're going to talk about which pencils you should choose for drawing. Choosing the right type of pencil will help you create that masterpiece that's in your head right now. H pencils will produce a lighter line because the graphite is harder and there's more filler in it. And the B pencils, on the other hand, will produce a darker line because they're softer and they don't contain as much filler. The easiest way for me to remember is that kind of H is in the middle, and then 2H, 4H, 6H is getting lighter, and then towards the B, 2B, 4B, 6B is getting darker. Now, a pretty common application would be to use a 2H pencil for an initial sketching because it's super light and you can be very delicate with your lines and you can go fast. And then come in later with, for example, a 2B to establish the line and push it more further towards a finish. Comment below, what is your favorite type of pencil, brand, H, B, whatever it is? Let me know what you like to sketch with.